City of Bell is located on the west bank of the Los Angeles River and is a suburb of the city of Los Angeles. Bell's area is around 2.5 square miles, 6.5 square kilometers. Bell was incorporated as a city in 1927. There are two parts of Bell. The northeast part near Highway 710 is mostly industrial factories and companies. The other part is the main business and residential area. Most business and restaurants locate along with Atlantic Avenue, Gage Avenue, Bell Avenue, and Florence Avenue. The city of Bell is bordered by the cities of Cudahy on the south, Maywood on the north and Huntington Park on west, Commerce on the east, and Bell Gardens on the southeast. Driving from LA City, take I-10 turn to Highway 710, exit 17A Atlantic Blvd Bandini Blvd. Keep on driving along Atlantic Boulevard. Pass City of Maywood, cross the railroad on Randolph Street, the border between Maywood and Bell. Bell Palm Plaza is the biggest shopping center for City of Bell.